Hello everyone and welcome to Suburban Stone Age. Today we're going to make the smallest popcorn in the world from Amaranth. The red plant that you see right here, that is Amaranth. It's a grain that's native to the New World, and it's grown by Native Americans for a long time, for centuries. It's an old staple, and it's a prodigious producer. It will make a ton of grain. Additionally, you can eat the leaves, and they're really nutritious, and they've got a lot of minerals in them. It's good for you. But the grains are what we're here for, and we're going to make popcorn. So hang on one second. We'll go take care of it. All right, here we go. I'll pour some amaranth into the pan. Pan is pretty hot, no oil. And there they go. They start popping into popcorn. How fun is that? Use a pan with high sides though, because they do jump around. And they'll jump right out if the pan isn't tall enough. But this wok seems to be working pretty well. Isn't that amazing? So yeah, give the video a thumbs up if you've ever seen tiny little popcorn before, and give it a thumbs up if you haven't. Subscribe for more videos on the food that we're growing in our garden, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time for another adventure at Suburban Stone Age. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.